Hey, what's going on, Griddle Nation? The Ultimate Recipe Challenge is here. It's time for the Great Griddle Off. All right, let's go over some quick rules. Entries will be open on our website between September 19th through October 5th, and they'll need to be submitted on our website, blackstoneproducts.com. Now, there are 4 categories: breakfast, lunch and dinner, ethnic, just think international cuisine, and miscellaneous. Think about things like desserts, drinks, side dishes, appetizers, things like that. Now remember, each person can only enter 1 recipe per category.
Once all of the submissions are gathered, they will be judged based on 3 criteria valued at 5 points each. We have creativity, your photo quality, and of course, your recipe appeal. You can also earn extra points by posting your recipe on any social media platform. Just be sure to use the hashtag GGO21 when posting.
Now let's talk about prizes. 8 recipes will be selected from each category and put into a bracket. Round 1 of voting starts October 8th and will continue until a champion is crowned. And the 32 recipes that are chosen for the bracket will be featured in the Great Griddle Off cookbook, as well as be given a free copy.
The winner from each category will virtually co-host an episode with one of the Blackstone chefs and receive exclusive Great Griddle Off apron, an assortment of Blackstone accessories, and the prizes listed beforehand.
The champion wins the golden spatula. Not this one, this one's mine.
What will you create?